Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5. It has a bigger battery compared to last year's models, a more durable design, and a new temperature sensor, so it's definitely an iterative update rather than a major overhaul. Design truly timeless. Galaxy Watch Extreme Sports Band. Pros: double-tooth design for maximum security. Sporty design, easily washable after strenuous exercising. Sleep tracking counts are sheep for you. Know your sleep with our new and improved sleep tracking technology. Plan your bedtime, detect snoring, understand and track your Samsung BioActive sensor. The BioActive sensor, first introduced on the Galaxy Watch 5, uses a single unique chip that combines 3 health sensors: optical heart sensor, electrode sensor, and bioelectrical impedance analysis. Bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor, usually found on smart scales. A bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor can measure your body composition, such as your skeletal muscle mass or fat mass. The sensor sends microcurrents to the body to measure the amount of muscle, fat, and water in the body. Electrical heart sensor. For those who don't know, an ECG records the electrical activity from the heart to detect possible signs of atrial fibrillation or arrhythmia. Optical heart rate sensor. Real-time ECG tracking helps you stay in sync with your heart by measuring your heart rate and rhythm for any irregularity. Optical heart rate sensor. Fitness tracking. Every step counts. Working out. Your watch counts your steps, calories, and even your routines. It even supports over 90 exercises that you can track from your watch, back on your wrist in no time. It takes about 30 minutes to go from 0% up to 45% charge. Yes, you read that right. With a bigger battery than its predecessors and fast charging, you're ready to go in no time. Meet the Sapphire crystal display. Introducing our durable, water-resistant Galaxy Watch. Our watch is crafted with premium sapphire crystal, water protection. Both the Galaxy Watch 5 have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Moreover, both watches are also certified to 5 ATM standards, making them water-resistant up to a depth of 50 meters. Watch faces. If you tap watch faces, you need to scroll to the bottom and select Get More Watch Faces to launch the Play Store. Colors make. Our absolute favorite combination is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 with a silver case and an extreme sport band in white, black. Silver, black, and white are a trio of fail-safe color options that go with almost everything. Wear OS. Navigate your next adventure with Google Maps. Stream YouTube music, text, get help from Bixby or Google Assistant, and call or browse the web. Route Workout. The all-new Route Workout feature lets you import GPX format workout routes from your smartphone to your watch. Syncing your route list. The Galaxy Watch is a smartwatch that can analyze your exercise pattern, manage your health, and allows you to use a variety of convenient apps for making phone calls and playing music. By rotating the bezel, you can access convenient features quickly and easily. You can also change the watch face to your taste.